information. Use Instagram Insights. Instagram Insights is a built-in analytics tool that provides valuable insights into your account's performance, including engagement metrics, follower demographics, and more. By using Instagram Insights, you can see which types of content and strategies are resonating with your audience, and adjust your approach accordingly to increase website traffic and sales. Use influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with popular Instagram users, such as bloggers or celebrities, to promote your brand and products to their followers. By partnering with influencers who have a strong following in your niche, you can increase brand awareness and drive traffic to your website. Make sure to choose influencers who align with your brand values and have an engaged and relevant audience. Use Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is a relatively new feature that allows users to create short, 15-second videos set to music. Using Instagram Reels can be a fun and engaging way to showcase your products or services, as well as entertain and engage your followers. You can also use Instagram Reels to drive traffic to your website by including a call to action in your video or adding a link to your bio. Engage with your competitors' followers. Engaging with your competitors' followers can be a powerful way to increase your reach and drive traffic to your website. This can involve leaving thoughtful comments on their posts, following them, or reaching out to them directly to introduce your brand or offer a special promotion. Use Instagram Ads targeting options. Instagram Ads targeting options allow you to create targeted ads that are tailored to specific demographics or interests. By using these targeting options, you can ensure that your ads are seen by the right audience, increasing the chances of driving traffic and sales to your website. Use Instagram Insights to track link clicks. Instagram Insights can also help you track how many users are clicking on the link in your bio. By monitoring this metric, you can see which types of content and strategies are driving the most website traffic, and adjust your approach accordingly. Use call to actions in your posts. Including a clear call to action, CTA, in your Instagram posts can help encourage users to visit your website and make a purchase. This can involve using phrases like "click the link in our bio to learn more" or "shop now" to encourage users to take action. Use Instagram Guides. Instagram Guides is a feature that allows users to create curated collections of posts and products around a specific theme or topic. By using Instagram Guides, you can showcase your products or services in a visually appealing and engaging way and encourage users to visit your website for more information. Collaborate with micro-influencers. Micro-influencers are social media users with a smaller but highly engaged following in a specific niche or industry. Collaborating with micro-influencers can be a cost-effective way to increase your reach and drive traffic to your website, as well as build relationships with influencers who may be more likely to work with smaller businesses. Use Instagram carousel posts. Instagram carousel posts allow users to share multiple images or videos in a single post, making them a great way to showcase multiple products or features at once. By using Instagram carousel posts, you can encourage users to swipe through and engage with your content, as well as include a link to your website for more information. Use Instagram Ads retargeting. Instagram Ads retargeting allows you to show ads to users who have already visited your website or engaged with your content on Instagram. By retargeting these users with personalized ads, you can increase the likelihood of driving them back to your website and making a purchase. Use Instagram Insights to track engagement metrics. Instagram Insights can also help you track engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, and shares, for each of your Instagram posts. By monitoring these metrics, you can see which types of content and strategies are resonating with your audience, and adjust your approach accordingly to increase engagement and website traffic. Use Instagram Live Shopping. Instagram Live Shopping is a feature that allows businesses to showcase their products in real time during a live broadcast.